Nyo kasi bigla na shutdown ng computer. Alright, so again no class, no, since finding ang tanong niya is you have to find y prime, that is actually we are looking for dy over dx. So if you look at the given equation, dapat kasi if you're using power rule, dapat lahat ng variable natin y and x dapat nasa taas siya. So nakaproblema tayo dito. So, first thing to do is we have to get the reciprocal of this one. So, naging ganito na siya, no? Instead of positive 3, naging negative 3. Pero, ang variable x natin nasa taas na. And then, eto, no? Nag-derive tayo. This is actually the derivation of this equation. The derivative of y is equals to dy over dx. And then, derivative ng 3x negative 2/3 is this one, and then of course yan. So, yan, no? Ito class is actually, ano lang ito, no? Ang step na nandito class is actually, yan lang ang differential calculus, no? Yan lang ang derivative. Ito lang ang derivative. So, to arrive to the final answer, we have to simplify this one. Huwag mo ako bigyan ng ganitong klaseng answer, no? Hindi yan siya na-simplify. Rules ng derivatives lang hanggang dito lang. Okay? So, you have to simplify using your algebra. Alright? So, how will you simplify? Okay? So, dy over dx, no? This one. That is dy over dx equals, we can cancel out 3. Alright? So, ang naiwan dito class is negative 2x. So, negative, palitan ko ng color, no? Negative 2 over 3 minus 1. We are using calculator. Hindi na tayo mahirapan. Negative 2/3. Negative 2 over 3. Minus 1. Equals 5 over 3. Negative 5 over 3. So, negative 5 over 3. And then next is plus, of course, plus, no? So, 3/4 times 1 is 3/4. Diba? X, so 3/4 minus 1. Again, calculator. 3/4 minus 1 equals 1/4, negative. So, negative 1/4. Diba? Okay, then next is plus, no? Plus what? Okay, plus 6 over 5 times 1, of course, 6 over 5. No, 6 over 5. X, so 6 over 5 minus 1, that is fraction, 6 over 5 minus 1 equals 1 over 5. So, 1 over 5 ang exponent dito. Okay. Next is, okay, positive, no? Positive times negative, that is negative. So, 3 times, of course, 3 times 8 is 24. X, then negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Okay, so, pwede na ganito, no? Your dy over dx equals to negative, yan, 2x to the power of negative 5 over 3. 3/4 x negative 1/4 plus 6 over 5 x to the power of 5 minus 24x negative 4. Kung gusto mo gawing positive ang exponent, then of course, just get the reciprocal. Right? So again, your dy over dx is equals to, okay, eto negative man, di ba? So, lagay sa baba. Magiging positive na yan. Okay. Sorry. 5 over 3, no? And then, ang naiwan sa taas is negative 2. Okay? Then, plus, no? Plus what? Again, no? Ito, negative. Ilagay natin sa baba para magiging positive. Yan. And then, ang naiwan dito ay 3 over 4. Right? Plus, next. Okay na ito, no? Positive naman siya. So, remain natin 6 over 5 or simply as, ganito na lang, no? Extend natin. Na maganda yan, 1 over 5. They are just the same. Okay, minus, okay, ang variable x natin dito is negative 4. Ang exponent lagay sa baba para magiging positive 4. And then, of course, 24. Alright, so your dy over dx is equals to this one. And negative 2 over x, 5 over 3. Okay, so makikita natin ang exponent ng variable x ay positive na. Okay, so next example. Yeah. Number 55. Sabi dito, if y equals x cubed plus 2x minus 5, find dy over dx. And then, ang ito class, may value ang x natin which is equals to negative 2. Pag ganito class, ang tanong, no? Actually, we can use our calculator kasi may value ang x natin. Okay, so we'll try to use calculator. Ano ba yung picture natin muna ang given equation. Your x is negative 2, alright? Your x is negative 2. We will use calculator. Sorry. We will use calculator. Desktop ba yun? Okay, desktop na. Be sure, ang calculator natin class nasa selection na 1, no? So that we can use differential calculus. Nandito class, d over yan, shape. Ayan. Okay, so salpak lang natin, no? Salpak lang natin ang x. What? X o alpha, no? Alpha. Then, ano ba yung exponent ng x3? Alright? Then, yan. Plus what? Plus 2 times x, then alpha x, yan, and the next is minus 5, right? So our x is equals to negative 2. Okay, our x is negative 2, and then equals, that is 14. Now, if you're using calculator class, this one is equals to 14. Okay, so since manually, if y equals x cubed plus 2x minus 5, find dy over dx. So we're looking class for dy over dx. So meron tayong value ng x which is negative 2. So all we have to do is write the equation. Ano ba yung equation na class? Y, di ba? Y equals x cubed plus 2x minus 5. So, find dy over dx. So, meaning, we have to derive this one. Ang derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx equals, diba? Kopya mo na ang, so how will you derive this one? So, 3 mo na, no? And then, times, actually, may 1 yan. Yan, then x, copy 3, minus 1. That is the rules of differentiation, no? Plus, okay, plus what? Plus, okay, may 1 dyan, no? May 1, diba? May 1, no? So, times exponent ng x is 1, times 1, okay, and then sa tabi ng x ay 2, okay, then x force 1 minus 1, minus, no? Minus yan, minus, so, makikita natin class ang 5 constant o lang variable dyan x, no? So, pag constant yan class, meaning walang variable dito, di ba? Makikita naman natin na walang variable x dyan. Purely 5 lang, so that is constant. Derivative of any constant is 0. Okay? So, yan ang rules ng, ang step na to class is differential calculus, finding dy over dx. So, yan lang ang differential calculus, so that we can arrive to the final answer. We have to simplify this one using your algebra. So, napakahalaga ang algebra. Kaya, pag mahina tayo sa algebra, no options tayo, no? Maliban, ulitin mo ang algebra mo. Algebra natin, no? Marami din naman sa YouTube, sa Google, or sa books. Okay? So, dy over dx is equals to 3 times 1 is 3. Of course, x negative. Ilitan ko ng color, no? 3 minus 1 is positive 2 plus 1 times 2 is 2. Then x to the power of 0 plus 0 or minus 0. So, ayan. So, simplify again. No? dy over dx is equals to 3x squared plus 2. Any number, if the exponent is 0, is equals to 1. Again, dy over dx is equals to 3x squared plus 2. Okay, so substitute the value of x. Ano ba yung value ng x natin? Negative 2. So, your dy over dx, no? Your dy over dx is equals to 3 times your x, di ba? Our x is negative 2, given, no? So, negative 2 square plus 2. Alright, so dy over dx is equals to, so I will use my calculator. Ano yun? 3 times negative 2 square. Then close. Anong next? Plus 2. Plus 2 equals, bakit negative 10 then positive 14? I-check daw. Check natin, no? Negative 2. Saan mali? Okay. So, mali tayo dito, class, no? Alright. So, dapat, kasi pag ganito ang exponent natin, no? Ang ibig sabihin, ang may square is only 2. Hindi kasali ang negative. So, if you look at the problem, solution natin, kasali ang negative sa square. Hindi lang siya 2. So, paano natin gawin sa calculator? All clear, no? All clear. Yan. So, 3. Ay, diba? And then, negative 2. Yan. And then, close mo. Yan. Then, square. So, ibig sabihin, dito, class, no? Ang negative, kasali na sa, nakaagad na siya square. Which is, yun din naman ang tama, no? Sa tanong, sa solution natin, talaga ang negative kasali sa square. So, that is negative 2 square. Okay, go back. Negative 2 square plus 2 equals 14. Alright? So, your dy over dx is equals to 14. Yeah. Okay? So, actually, class, ano yung dy over dx? That is actually slope.